So I'm very concerned that the recent jump in violent crime and murder rates are not anomalies. But I did oppose it when it happened. This caricature of me in 1986 was not correct. I had become United States Attorney. I supported, as the civil rights attorney said, major civil rights cases in my district that integrated schools, that prosecuted the Klan, that ended single-member districts, that denied African Americans the right to hold office. I did everything I was required to do. And the complaints about the voter fraud case and the complaints about the Klan case that I vigorously prosecuted and supported are false. And I do hope this hearing today will show that I conducted myself honorably and properly at that time, and that I am the same person, perhaps wiser and maybe a little better, I hope so, today than I was then, but I did not harbor the kind of animosities and race-based discrimination ideas that were I was accused of. I did not.
On November 14, 2016, appearing on the TV show 60 Minutes, do you agree that the issue of same-sex marriage is settled law?
Supreme Court has ruled on that. The dissented vigorously, but it was 5-4, and 5 justices on the Supreme Court, the majority of the court, has established the definition of marriage for the entire United States of America, and I will follow that decision. The Department of Justice must never falter in its obligation to protect the civil rights of every American.
Some have expressed concern about whether you can approach the Clinton matter impartially in both fact and appearance. How do you plan to address those concerns?
With regard to Secretary Clinton and some of the comments I made, I do believe that that could place my objectivity in question. I've given that thought. I believe the proper thing for me to do would be to recuse myself from any questions involving those kind of investigations that involve Secretary Clinton that were raised during the campaign, or could be otherwise connected to it.
Okay. I think